Why won't my Cricut Design Space open on my desktop? Method 1. Check minimum requirements. Step 1. Make sure you have Windows 10 or later operating systems. Step 2. Ensure your CPU has a dual-core or equivalent AMD processor. Step 3. Verify that you are using 4 GB RAM. Step 4. You must have a USB port or Bluetooth adapter to establish a connection. Step 5. Provide a minimum 1024px x768px screen resolution of the display. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Open your browser, then search for an internet speed connection website. Step 2. Open any link, then check your internet speed. Method 3. Clear Cricut Design Space browser cache. Step 1. Close your Cricut Design Space application. Step 2. Open your File Explorer. Step 3. On the left panel, expand this PC and open local disk C or OS, C. Step 4. Open the file folder with the name users. Step 5. Open the file folder with the name of your current user logged in. Step 6. Open the .Cricut Design Space folder, then click on the local data folder. Step 7. Select the file and folder, then click on Delete from the top toolbar. Step 8. Open your Cricut Design Space application, Open View, then choose Force Reload. Method 4. Flush DNS cache. Step 1. Click on the Start menu, then search Command Prompt. Step 2. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run it as administrator. Step 3. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type IP protocol configuration/flushdns and press Enter. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.